Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to plan for the month of May, and I'm going to be doing it in my B5 Hemlock Oak Minimalist Planner. And as usual, I'll be using my Coffee Monsterz Co stickers. I always link down below the full haul that goes through everything that I purchased if you want to watch that. But the theme for May is Tulip Fields. So as usual, I will start by setting up my overview, and if you're new, I change it to suit myself essentially. So even though the left side of the page is prompted, I don't use any of it for what it's actually supposed to be for. But I'll also link down below my plan with me's for the year, and all my monthlies are in there, so if you want to go and have a nosy, if you watch the January one, I explain it in there, what I use it for and why. Anyway, so let's get the May overview all set up.
God, you see beauty where I see loss. Lucid dreaming, losing what you love. You're so enlightened that you forgot. All we need is someone else to hold. You found another place to float away, rising higher from the ground you claim. Wish that we could talk the same. About the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we love. But you're not asking, making sure I'm fine. If I'm not you, I haven't tried enough. Then you say you never shine so bright, but leave no room for light beside. Yours is all you ever seem to need. See you talk about health, but is it really that healthy? How you fulfill yourself? Maybe I shouldn't mind at all, but I miss when we were more similar. About the things you love, about the things you love, about the things you love, about the things you love. You're not asking, making sure I'm fine. You found another place to float away, rising higher from the ground you claim. Wish that we could talk the same. Yeah.
I will be the last to leave. I won't say a word, just let you breathe. I won't make a sound, I won't slow you down. I knew we were on borrowed time, just a passing streak, nothing you would keep. I fell in too deep. And as far as at least how I remember, we were leaving in September, when red and gold paint the sky. And as far as though maybe I pretended, oh, I wish it never ended. I held on with all my might, still waiting on that last goodbye. See you standing by the door, watch watching the leaves as they fall once more. In the silence we made.
I actually ordered Tulip Fields washi, and I'm going to put it down below, but I got it in the June pre-order, and I was doing stuff, I can't remember what I was even doing, and missed like the countdown timer, and I really panicked. I thought, oh my goodness. But thankfully she has a hybrid option, so whenever the in-stock stuff sells out, you can still buy it in pre-order basically. So I've actually received my second anniversary order because she did it in 2 parts. I'll show you that later in the week, but I haven't received my first one yet because it was in pre-order. But anyway, the point is that it really will look lovely with a spread, so I just decided to leave that bottom line empty, and then I'll put it in whenever I get it. Anyway, I can't believe it's May. April has just went by so quickly. I'm applying for a promotion in work. I don't know whether I'll get it or not, but I just figured why not, I'll give it a go. But I've been focusing on that, and then a big project that I've been working on forever is coming to a close. And then last week I got sick, so it's just been one of those months. But yeah, anyway, so yes, I put in on the 2nd there my Tesco delivery because I have that booked already. I don't book them in advance in the sense of the whole month. I used to do that, but I just prefer to do it a week at a time now because of my HelloFresh deliveries. I don't even get them weekly, I get them fortnightly. So yeah, I just do that whenever I need one. And then I put in my little Coffee Monsterz Co event label because it's a bank holiday on Monday. And then I have a doctor's appointment on the Tuesday. As you can see if you read it, it's not something I'm particularly looking forward to, but hey ho. And then after that I put in my HelloFresh delivery, and I decided just to go ahead and put in all the HelloFresh deliveries in one go. Because they're always on a Thursday, I don't need to necessarily book them out. I just need to remember to update the menu on a Friday so that the next week I get what I want as opposed to what they chose for me. And I had 3 little houses, so I decided to use that, and then realised there wasn't a 4th, so just used this little post-it note type thing for the last one to mark them all in. Next, I used 2 of these plain labels. They fit perfectly in the section along the bottom, and I'm going to use them to mark 2 birthdays in the month. And I'll also put in a little balloon for each one. One for my sister-in-law's birthday and one for my brother-in-law. Then the last thing that I'm going to mark in advance is the last bank holiday. There's 2 bank holidays in May. Woohoo! So that is all the plans in. Let's move on then to my monthly review.
Find the words to say, they linger in my mind. Oh, I wished you'd stay. Oh, I wished you'd stay. And as far as at least how I remember, we were leaving in September when red and gold paint the sky. As far as though maybe I pretended, oh, I wish it never ended. I held on with all my might, still waiting on the last goodbye. Last goodbye. Last goodbye. Last goodbye. And as far as at least how I remember, we were leaving in September when red and gold paint the sky. far as I thought maybe I pretended. Oh, I wish it never ended. I held on with all my might, still waiting on the last goodbye. Colors in my head, dishes in the kitchen sink, radio humming, the birds are singing, calling in the morning breeze. Pictures on the shelf, whispers of another life, footsteps